Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some Asian inspired chicken. Yummy. First, I've got all the ingredients together so we don't have to worry about that. Now, what we do have to worry about is me making sure I don't knock my camera down. Alright, you guys. What we're going to do is, I've already got my slow cooker plugged up, turned on. Again, I like to use it on high. And I'm going to just drizzle some olive oil on the bottom of the crock. And then we're going to slide in 2 chicken breasts. Now, of course, you will adjust this for your family, however much you need. This is pasture-raised chicken breast that we like to use. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put, y'all, these are broke, but I'm telling you what, my kids got these for me, my daughter and son-in-law, several years ago, and I just love still using them. I do. We're going to put a tablespoon of lime juice. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and use fresh lime. I always have these and the lemon one on hand, so that's why I use those. Our next step is going to be a tablespoon of soy sauce. Don't put any salt in here because this is going to make it really good and salty for you. Okay? Now, the next thing I'm going to put in there is this. We don't get to catch the G. Hughes teriyaki marinade in our groceries very often. So when we do, it's a real treat. But this, I'm going to put a 1/4 cup in there. Now, our next step, I have to break out these. This is ground ginger. If you want to ground your own, I would do 2 cloves. Or grate your own. I would do 2 cloves. Wipe this off so I don't spill stuff everywhere. Now, the next thing we're going to do is by the tablespoons. We're going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Sprinkle it around all of it. Now, if you want to put some crushed pepper in, you can do that. That's one of those no-can-dos for me. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Just like that. Now, ginger. We're going to do a heaping teaspoon of ginger. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, or cumin, I'm not sure how everybody says it. And we're going to do a teaspoon of chives. This is the dried chives, dehydrated even. And this is brown stevia. This is going to add some really nice sweetness to your dish. So you have to be careful because it'll just roll out all over in one big clump. So we'll just pour that in my hand like that and give it a sprinkle around. And next I have a 1/4 of a purple onion. People call them red onion. It looks purple to me. But I've got a 1/4 of a purple onion that I've got diced. I also have a small sweet orange pepper. Again, it may look yellow to you, but it looks orange to me. And the sweet red pepper. And we're just going to scoop those in there on the top. Now, you don't have to add any liquid to this. As you may already know, the chicken is going to put out its own juices. And that's something that we're going to use when it comes time to, well, You'll see. You'll see. But look at that. And I can already tell you, all those spices and the sauces and all of that smell amazing. Now, there is one more thing I'm going to add to it. I don't know. I think there's a website for this. This is made locally. It's a hot sauce, and it's called Bee Sting. Because I'm telling you, it will light you up. But I'm just going to put just a little bit of hot sauce in there. About like that. Works for me. Let's see here, folks. We'll put the address on here if you want to order some of this. Again, it's made local. We try to do a lot of the local stuff, pasture raised kind of things. But we'll put that in the comments below somewhere. We'll put it in there. Guarantee it. Now, I'm gonna put the lid on this. Hello again. I'm gonna let that cook in my crock pot, slow cooker, whichever you want to call it. I'm gonna let that cook on high for about 6 to 8 hours. I know a lot of people put theirs on low, but I really like using my slow cooker on high. Nothing more than to expect your main protein to be ready to use, and it's not. Now, if you'd rather use beef, then I would suggest to get a New York strip or ribeye, something like that. Slice it up. You know, you can actually slice this stuff before you freeze it if you want to. It makes it easier. But if you want to use the beef, then you can go ahead and slice it up. Put it in your crock pot. Put the same ingredients in there. I would probably add a few of the beef granules as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. I really want to thank Mike Lovelace. Thank you so much. I appreciate you giving us a shout out, and I appreciate all the new subscribers as well as our ones that's been hanging out with us for a while. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. If you ring the notification bell, if you subscribe, you ring that notification bell, you'll know each time we put new content on. And give us a thumbs up. If you have something you want me to try and make, let me know. You know, I don't mind doing that either. If you have a suggestion on something that's going to make these taste even better, the stuff that I make, tell me please. Let me know. You're not going to hurt my feelings, I promise. Now, what I will say is weird comments are not allowed. Those go out the door. Just saying. Y'all take care, and I'll be back after a while. Hello. I'm back. I did let this go ahead and cook for about 7 hours, and right now I've got our veggie cauliflower. I like the cauliflower rice that has the little bits of vegetable in it over the cauliflower rice that's done. But I've got that over there in the microwave. It takes about 5 minutes for it to heat up, and we've got this chicken done. We're going to get it plated up, and then we're going to chow down. Let me get y'all down this way so you can see what I'm doing. Ooh, look at that. This looks and smells awesome. And I know it tastes good because I've made it before. I'm sharing it with y'all this time. Right. Man. Oops. Yep, ran out of battery. No sooner did I say that, the battery went. So, we're going to finish it up like this. Alright. Just a little bit of the sauce over top of it. Look at that. Don't that just look delicious? I can tell you it smells really, really good. And here we go. Oh, little bit of sauce over tops. And that's it. That is a keto meal fit for a hungry tummy. Okay, well that's it, you all. A delicious keto meal, slow cooker, Asian style chicken served over cauliflower rice. So you all take care. Have yourself a good afternoon. We'll see you next time. Bye.